boys and girls. Today we're going to look at the double O and the two sounds that it makes. So come take a look at what I have on the table. So when you have two O's in a word, they can either make the long oo sound, like in moon, or they can make what we call the short sound, which is more like an sound, like in foot. So we have oo and So let's take a look at some words that have the double O and see if they're making the oo sound or the sound. First we have the word, help me read, hook. That sounds more like foot, hook. So let's put it over here. Next we have this word, help me read, boot, boot. That's making that long sound like moon. So let's put boot over here. Oh, I think you know this word, help me read, book. That's making that sound like hook and foot. Okay, let's keep reading. Wool. That's making that sound. Let's say it again. Wool. That's like what you find on a sheep. Sounds like in book, hook, and foot. Oh, we know this word. Look. There's that sound. And this goes with our picture. Foot. Oh, we know this word. Moon. There the double O is saying ooh. And it goes with our picture up there. Moon. Help me read. Stool. In this word, the ooh. There's that long ooh sound. The double O is making that sound. Okay, let's try this one. Help me read. Let's give a little more space to our words. Igloo. There's that ooh sound like in moon. Okay, help me read. Hood. Hood. That sounds like in foot. So we'll put it over here. Help me read. Ook. Cook. So there's that sound like in foot. Okay, let's take a look at this one. Zoo. Oh, we love to go there. That has that ooh sound in the middle like in moon. Oh, we've been studying about these lately. Root. Root. There's that ooh sound like in moon. Wood. Wood. Like this table is made of wood. There's that sound like in foot. So that one goes over here. Oh, help me read this one. Shook. I shook the paper. Okay, so that's got that sound. Broom. Broom. We know we like to sweep our classroom with brooms. There's that ooh sound in the middle. And lastly, spoon. We use a spoon to eat soup. Now let's take a look at some pictures and see which words they go with. Well, I don't know if you can tell what this is, but these are roots coming down underground from a tree. So this goes with root. And, oh, look at this. This is called a hook. So we've got to look over here for it. Here it is. Hook. There's the picture. Look at this guy. This is a sheep, and he's covered in wool. Wool. There it is, right next to him. This is a picture of an igloo. There's that ooh sound. So we've got to look on this side. There it is. And we know this character. Her name is Little Red Riding Hood. Hood. Here's the word hood. to go with that picture. And we use this to sweep the floor. It is a broom. Ooh, broom. Okay, and lastly, we have one of these in our classroom. We can sit on the stool. Ooh, ooh. So we've got to look over here. Here it is. Stool. Okay, boys and girls, thank you very much for helping me today. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.